so it's nice to find a way to get out some points. Big nonetheless, and we'll get a good practice tomorrow and try and keep this thing going.
I mean, really, Sunday, you guys played well enough to win Sunday and didn't get anything from it, so you guys maybe deserve something like this.
Yeah, there was a few early in the year too that we felt like, they'll even out. Never want to have too many of those where you're just finding ways, but tonight we did, and it wasn't our best. Like I said, Cam was our best player by a stretch, and it was nice to score some timely goals and get a regulation win against the team that's trying to chase us.
None of the goals were clean tonight. They were all kind of screwy.
Yeah, it was one of those nights where you're going to get some bounces and some breaks. Obviously, the first one by Nords was nice. I don't think we had our same momentum, legs, execution that we normally do, and that goal kind of evened the tide and gave us some life. So good job by the guys sticking with it, finding a way in the third period. We were better in the third and checked well and didn't give up a ton. And good win.
How much fun to get one like that? You kind of pick it out of the air and score.
Yeah, well, I would have taken anything at this point. Sure. Obviously a long stretch for me, and just try and hang around the net and hopefully get a bounce and a break. And it's good play by J-Mac, 2-on-1, and their guy made a good play, and he stayed with it, came around, and I just kept my eye on it, waited for it to come down. I get called for a high stick, and I was able to get some wood on it and kind of seal it there, which was nice.
It's a small point, but we don't know what's going to happen next week. Is it nice to have a night when you both score? I mean, you've done that a couple times before, not a ton, but it's that kind of thing.
It is. That's you dream of playing in NHL, you dream of playing on the same team, and then scoring goals, contributing to help the team win. That's it doesn't get much better, to be honest, as a hockey player. The next best thing is winning the whole thing. So, he's playing phenomenal hockey, the best I've seen him play his whole career, and it's been fun. It's been really fun to watch him turn into the player I know he is. I'll cut tomorrow. He's huge for this group. He's going to continue to be huge for this group down the stretch because it's an opportunity for us to continue in the battle and continue trying to climb. And like I said, it's just been fun for me to see his game go, and he's been huge for this team.